This 2024 Tiffin Wayfarer 25RW is a Class C RV. It is located in Longs, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV North Myrtle Beach. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Tiffin is 25 feet 8 inches in length and features a linen, champagne interior, sleeps 6, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, couples coach, front bedroom, loft, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2024 Tiffin Wayfarer 25RW is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.